I will make video.
and content.
You are my content today. How to eat sima, the Algerian, the way like this, squeezing, squeeze, and then eating, something like that. Squeeze it again, and then something like that. Yeah, no problem. If you do not squeeze, you take a little small piece and then eat.
Just direct.
Yeah, direct.
You cut like this.
The small one. Yeah, direct. Not squeezing.
Yeah,
Not good.
It won't be passing well here.
Not passing in your
Yeah. Your esophagus.
esophagus.
That will be a problem. Unless if I make it
Your
smooth.
throat.
Yeah, I make it smooth. I have to make it face smooth. Like this. And then small reddish. Oh, this one it's okay. Because
Okay.
yeah, it will be passing very well. It is to penetrate when I make it smooth. It is to penetrate on the esophagus. When I make it smooth.
This one mais,
Yeah, maize.
This one is came from mais,
Yeah, maize.
the white corn.
Yeah, white corn. They grind it after grinding.
Grind.
Grind, yeah. After grinding, it becomes a form of powder. It comes in form of powder. You boil it water. When you boil it water, you add more meal. After that, you start and then cooking, adding small meal. Little cooking. Don't turn.
Sima, the food of Zambian.
Sima is good.
Sima is delicious.
Sima is good.
If you eat sima, your body become stronger,
Stronger, yeah. And you become very energetic.
energetic.
Yeah.
So why sometimes if you make some job, you're not energetic?
Huh? Some of us
Yeah.
want to be energetic. We don't know.
I don't believe.
Yeah, Shima gives us power. If someone eats Shima and then he behaves less, which means that person is just doing it, just sabotage. But otherwise, when you eat in Shima, you become energetic. Yeah. Because in Zambia, we believe when you eat in Shima is better than rice in Zambia.
Better than rice.
Yeah. When someone, the Zambian eats rice, they don't become energetic. But when they eat in Shima, their body, power, very energetic and active. At the same time.
Very energetic, huh?
Yeah, and active. At
Just
the same
like
time.
vitamins,
Yeah,
booster.
yeah, it boosts power. When you are lazy, you eat in Shima, power, you become more powerful. When you are powerless, you eat in Shima, it's like a phone which has been charged. It's 100% now. You become, and then you become energetic, and then you'll be back in form. Even if to wake, you have power, very courageous to do anything because you've been energized by Shima.
Body
So
become energetic.
yeah, so in Shima, we consider it one of our, it's a very, every Zambian,
Especially your wife,
Yeah.
your the girl also, they will eat sima.
yeah, they eat in Shima. Yeah, because Zambian men, they do prefer breakfast to have Shima than tea.
If you are eating your breakfast sima also,
Yeah, because,
last time sima,
yeah, a lot of Zambian.
the dinner also sima.
But sometimes dinner, we use different food.
What food?
Maybe we can use in terms of maybe
Chicken,
chicken,
all chicken,
chicken and chips.
bread.
Sometimes, yeah. Well, but then when at home,
But mostly sima, even if you eat the dinner.
yeah.
Okay.
So Shima is number one.
How about in the Zimbabwe? Sima also?
Shima,
All African, all sima.
Nigeria, Shima also. South Africa, Shima also.
How
Congo,
about
Shima also. Africa, Well, I can say
Ghana.
also in Shima.
Shima?
Yeah.
Ghana?
95% of Africa.
I think only Zambian eating Shima.
No. 95% of Africa.
African eating Shima.
5% different. In terms of like Egypt.
Now I know. Before
Egypt, they do eat rice, not Shima. Egypt, Morocco.
Morocco is not Africa. Morocco?
Yeah, Africa, Morocco.
Morocco?
Yeah, Tunisia.
Tunisia, Africa?
Yeah. And Algeria.
But Tunisia is Arabic.
Yeah, because they are part of
Moroccan is Arabic.
Part of Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, even if you check on a platform.
I worked before together the nationality of Tunisia and Morocco.
They are African. They do participate in
when
Africa.
When
they consider them as African.
Libya is also Africa?
Yeah.
Libya?
Yeah.
Because I work also, but Africa, the Nigeria. No, Algeria. Is Africa, but he did not eating Shima.
Yeah, those.
They will eat bread.
Yeah.
Bread.
And rice.
Not Shima.
Yeah. Like
not the same like this.
Yeah.
It's like a photo.
Yeah, nations like
the Philippines.
Nations like Morocco, Libya, Algeria,
Somalia, Tunisia,
yeah, Algeria,
Sudan.
No, Sudan they do it in Shima.
Sudan is Africa also.
Yeah, Africa also. So those nations I have mentioned, they don't eat in Shima.
Nigeria,
they do it in Shima.
Chad, you know Chad?
Yeah, I know Chad.
Yeah.
Cameroon, they do it in Shima. That's why I said.
How about Mr. Johan? Shima also?
But Johan, I think but Johan, mainly they do eat rice.
Rice?
Okay,
because Mr. Johan, I don't ask what is food he eat. I think rice or not. Huh? Sila. Western Africa.
Western style. Western style.
Johan lifestyle seems like a Western style eating the food.
Johan, boy, that one is for mom.
And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.